Hello everyone. It is no longer news that Hamster Kombat is going to be launching on the 26th of September 2024. That is in about exactly 26 or 28 days. Now, these are the things they are going to be looking at in order to make payment. Number one, they are going to look at the passive income that you made. Number two, they are going to be looking at the end task, the task that they give you to do. What did you earn from the task? Then number three, they are going to be looking at the friends that you invited. This is also going to earn you points. Then they are going to look at your achievement. What did you achieve? What are the landmarks that you achieved in the course of the Hamster Kombat game playing? Then they are going to look at your Telegram subscription. They're also going to look at the keys that you have. And these are the things they're going to look at. Now, let me just show you certain things that you need to do, that you need to be doing daily. Now, take for instance, this is the Hamster Kombat. This is how it appears. And then what you need to do is that you need to be clicking. You double click using your two fingers. It can be the fingers of this hand or the other hand or any other two fingers. So you click on it. As you're clicking on it, it's generating point for you. Apart from this, there's what is called profit per hour. Profit per hour is made by buying cards. So after where you have the exchange, you go to the mine. So when you click on mine, it's going to give you the options by which you can buy things from the profit per hour. And this option, you have the number one, the PR team, you have the market, you have the legal, you have the Web3, and then you have the specials. So you can buy from any of them. This, when you buy from any of them, is going to increase your profit per hour. It is advised that as it is just about 28 days to the launch of Hamster Kombat for you to be paid. You should go for profit per hour, and you should go for it now if you have enough coins that you can use to make the payment, the purchase. Now, you should make sure that what you are buying compare with the profit per hour if the ratio is at high ratio, so that the ratio is going to be profitable to you, so you can do the calculation of that by yourself. So I'm going back to the exchange now, which is the home screen. Then on the home screen, there's the daily reward. So the daily reward comes daily, so it is to reward you for taking part in the game. So every day when you log into the game, it's going to reward you with some coins. Then we also have the daily cipher. Daily cipher comes out around 7 p.m. in the evening. They give you the daily cipher, the task you're going to do. Then also daily combo. Daily combo comes out around 12 noon or after 12. That is when the daily combo comes out. The daily combo means that there are three keys that you need to go and open or do some things on the cards. When you do those things on the cards, then the daily combo is 5 million. So whatever you are going to do on the card to get daily combo must be less than the daily combo. So if the task you're going to do is 1 million, then you do the task for 1 million, 1 million credits on the 1 million coins, and then you get a daily combo of 5 million. Then apart from that, there's the mini games that are there. One of them is the key games, the other one is another game which have been introduced. Now, apart from this, from the first exchange, then the mine, then you go to Playground. Playground has a series of games in it. On the Playground, there are a series of games. When you open those games, you can play any of the games to completion. When you play the game to completion, what happens is that you get a card. You are rewarded with a card. You are rewarded with a key, I beg your pardon. When you play the game to completion, you get a key that you can use to do whatever you want to do. Then the other aspect is the friends list. When you invite 1, 2, 3 friends, the number of friends you invite, there's also money for that. So what you do in that case is you take your link and you click your link, invite a friend, or click the link and then send it to your friends by WhatsApp or on Telegram, and then tell them the benefits of the program, and then they are going to take part in the program. Then once in a while, or once there are times that they will now introduce you to make some videos, and they want you to watch those videos, informative videos. That is when you come to end. When you click end, you're going to see the videos you're going to watch. So you click on it, you watch the video. Once you click on it and go to the video, after 60 minutes, the 100,000 coins is going to be added to your balance. So as I said again, Hamster Kombat is one of the airdrops, and it's going to be listing on September 26, 2026, as you can see. And people have been saying it's not going to list, or it's going to list. Now the list is sure. So it is an opportunity for you to earn passive income. Many people have come to my channel saying that they want to make money and they don't have money. This is the opportunity now. Already you have your phone, and then all you need to do is to have data, and then you are good to go, and then you are going to make money with Hamster Kombat. So in the next 28 days, buckle up. You can start from now and make a brand new end. If you start from now and you do everything I've just told you to do, you are going to make money, just like those people who started earlier in May or June or July, or even those who started August. So you start today, this August ending, and by September 26th, you are going to be one of the people that are going to be smiling to the bank. Now, before I go, I need to tell you that you have to also, for you to withdraw, when you come to the last, where you have airdrop here, airdrop on the screen, then you will see on that airdrop, that's where the dates for the launch, for the listing is shown. Then you have the points they are going to use is shown. Then when you click on withdraw, it will ask you to link. You have to open your Ton wallet. You have to open your Ton wallet. Ton wallet is an app. So you go to app, the Google app or the Play Store on your phone and download Ton wallet. Ton wallet is TON wallet. So you download it. Then when you click withdraw, it's going to ask you that what do you want to use to withdraw, and then you now say Ton wallet. So it will see the Ton wallet on your system, and it will now connect with it, and it will be ready. The moment payment is made on the Hamster Kombat, the moment you are paid on Hamster Kombat, then you can now withdraw to your Ton wallet, and from there you can now withdraw to any of the crypto exchanges, and then you can get your money in your bank account. So this is how it goes. If you have any question for me on this, you can ask in the comment section below, and I'm going to come your way again soon with another content on this Hamster Kombat. I need to do this video in a jiffy because I want you to be able to take part in the money that is going to be shared. You don't need to spend any money. You're not paying any money to anybody. The tasks that is to be done, they are optional. So if you can't do this, you do the one you can do, and then you go on. But I want to encourage you, focus on your profit per hour so that it can increase. Then also increase your levels from the first level to the next level. There are 11 levels. So try as much as possible to go from one level to the other level. And just people are on level 11. Personally, I am on level 9, and I need to tell you that I am doing it. My wife is doing it. My daughter is doing it. My son also is doing this. My son also is on level 9 as I am, even though I introduced him. My daughter too is on a higher level. My wife is also on level 9, and we are moving on to level 10 in the next few days. So I want you to also to come up, and I joined the Hamster Kombat just about 15 days ago, and I'm on level 9 out of level 11 levels today. So the 28 days that remain, you can also be able to catch up and also get some change from the program. So I'll see you in the next one. Let me have your questions and your comments in the comment section below. Bye bye, and success in this Hamster Kombat game. Bye.